When are you smoking now? It's been a while.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm thelaurynicole, and today I'm sharing with you guys my super quick and easy curly hair routine for the springtime. This is pretty much just like an updated curly hair routine. Today I'm just going to be trying out some new products, also putting you guys onto some new products. So if you want to see how I achieved these results for my day one curls, especially if you're trying to look for new products or just a different routine to follow, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so I just hopped out of the shower. I tied my hair up in this t-shirt just to keep it pretty moist for the most part. I'm really excited to be doing a wash and go on my hair because it's been a minute since I've done like a really good wash and go on my hair, especially since I recently just cut it a little bit. I cut the dead ends of my hair just because I'm trying to grow it out, especially before the wedding. So yeah, today I'm just going to be walking you guys through my spring curly hair routine and more so just new products that I've picked up that I'm excited to try and we're going to be trying out together. So first things first is I'm going to split my hair into 4. I love splitting my hair into 4. This is just going to make sure that I'm distributing the products evenly and that my hair isn't getting extra tangled.
Love's never wasted when it's shared. And although it's over, we'll always be there. Only have a couple minutes left, we're going back to real life.
I am going to start by going in with the Sacred Detangling Spray. This spray is actually from their Protective collection and I have been absolutely loving it. It makes detangling my hair so easy. And then once my hair is detangled like this section is, we can go ahead and start by putting some of the products in our hair. So the first product that I'm going to be putting in my hair today is actually from Fenty Hair. This is one of their newest products. This is their 9-in-1 treatment oil. It's called the Flashy One. On the box, it mentions that it is a reparative oil that adds shine, smooths frizz, moisturizes for hair that you'll want to flaunt. And I will say, like most Fenty products, this product smells so good. So we're just going to apply this into our hands and then literally just rub into the hair. That smells so good. Like I absolutely love Fenty Hair products because their products smell so good. And I will say that with the scent of their products, I think it's perfect for the spring and the summertime, which is why I'm always reaching for their products during this time of the year. And then speaking about Fenty Hair, our next product is actually going to be the Home Curl. This is actually one of my favorite products. It defines the hair so well. It leaves it moisturized. It smells so good. And this is pretty much, in my opinion, it's kind of like a cream and gel mixture. Just going to grab a little bit and instead of rubbing it into the hair, we're going to rake this into the hair. I'm going to apply a little extra water because I will say that while styling, I do like my hair to be pretty drenched for the most part. And then once our hair looks something like this, we're going to grab our next product, which is going to be the Texture Foam by the brand The Dew. If you know, you know. I've been using this product since it literally came out. I absolutely love The Dew. And the great thing about this Texture Foam is that I've never had a flaking issue with it. Like, it pairs perfectly with almost every single curly hair product that I've used. And look how defined this looks already. Like, this hair routine, tea. And then once our hair is like this, we're pretty much just going to do the same steps on the rest of our hair. So again, working with this back section, we're going to start with spraying some of this detangler on it and then brushing through our hair with a brush that's going to detangle your hair. I'm using the unbrushed today. Sometimes I just rake my hands through it, but I will say on wash days, especially after washing my hair, I try to go through with the brush just because this is going to break up some of those tangles a little bit better than my hands could. Next, we're going to grab the 9-in-1 oil treatment, then spray with some water, rake in the Home Curl product, and then lastly finish off with the Texture Foam.
Only have a couple minutes left, we're going back to real life. I guess we found a silver lining.
And then always, once I get to the top section, I do this section a little differently. So basically, I'm just going to split this section into 2. This section is usually where like most of my bangs lie, and then this section is going to go towards the back. I'm just going to pin this away and then start on the back section first. Split this into 2, and then we're just going to apply the same products in the same order that we've been doing this whole time. And then with this section, I will say I do like to go through it and just finger coil some of the curls. Like, look how pretty that looks. Ah! And then for my bang section here in the front, we are just going to brush everything to the front. This also helps to kind of reinforce the no part look that I know that we all are trying to do right now because all of us hate the part vibe. And then I'm just gonna flip it over like so. I tried not to add too much product at my roots just to help with the volume, because if you put too much product at the root, it's just gonna weigh down the hair. So this is how my curls are looking right now. Very defined. I'm very pleased with how it's looking. As always, I let my hair air dry just a little bit before diffusing, so that is what I'm gonna go do. I'm just gonna go, honestly, maybe just run some errands, let it air dry, and then I'll be back in a second. Okay, so we are back, and this is how my hair is looking after air drying it for about 45 minutes. As you can see, all of the product has been absorbed into my hair. The curls are pretty much developed and they're not like wet. So now we can go in and diffuse. Now this next step is for all my curl friends that just love their hair to smell good. I will say that the Fenty hair products already make your hair smell really good, but I am just gonna go in with the extra little perfume. This is the Fable and Mane hair perfume. This is in the scent Karela Coconut. They actually just released these scents and I have been loving all of them thus far. In addition to the hair perfume, I'm going to go ahead and go in with a heat protectant, being that the next step is going to be diffusing our curls. Today I'm going in with this product from Aussie. This is from their Ultra Wonder collection. This is going to be their daily mist. It protects your hair up to 450 degrees worth of heat. It's also going to make your hair very glossy, very glass-like, and on top of that, it also acts as a detangler. Now we already detangled our hair earlier, but if you want a product that's going to do multiple things in one product so you don't have to use all of these products, I would take a look at this collection because a lot of their products are multi-use, and so they're supposed to be like multiple benefits within one product. And then next is one of my least favorite parts, but also one of my favorite parts because then I get to see how my hair is gonna look, and that is diffusing our hair. Today I'm going in with the Dyson diffuser. I absolutely love this diffuser because it literally cuts my drying time in half. But if a Dyson is not your thing, let me know in the comments if you want recommendations for other diffusers that I absolutely love, because I do have quite a diffuser collection. So let me know in the comments if you just want like a tour of all my diffusers. And then once my hair is dry, what I like to do to kind of help to stretch out my curls a little bit is put it in a bun like so. It doesn't have to be a tight bun, but you do want to make sure that your hair is dry for the most part whenever you do this. Just put it in a bun, and then I'm just going to use my blow dryer and dry my hair like this. And the crazy thing about curly hair is that our length hides so much in our curls. Sometimes I feel like my hair isn't growing, and then I pull on one curl and I realize she's growing. And then once my hair is like this, then I can go in and pick it a little bit. Okay, and this is how my curls are looking once we are done like picking it out. Again, we're gonna go in with some hair perfume just to finish out this look. I always love the day one results. Very voluminous, very defined still, and my hair smells chef's kiss. Let me know in the comments if you would try out this routine. Also, if you have any questions about any of the products that I used today. As always, if you like today's video and want more videos just like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, share with a girlfriend, like today's video, and I'll see you babes next week. Bye.
I just wanna know if you're okay. Only have a couple minutes that already kinda feels like back on your sofa. Of course I still care. Love's never wasted when it's shared.